In 2017, a strange discovery was reported deep within Anji's bamboo forests. Sections of a mudstone layer, 10 meters thick, were spread for kilometers. This was a deep-water ecosystem, 445 million years ago, at the close of the Ordovician period. It was a time right after the planet's first, and one of its worst, mass extinctions. But to their surprise, this site didn't depict an apocalyptic wasteland. Instead, it held the remains of a thriving and diverse community. Thousands of large, complex animals seemed to be living their best lives. And those animals were almost entirely sponges. Hidden here was a snapshot of a bizarre yet pivotal chapter in deep time. The end of Ordovician was a catastrophic time for life in the oceans.
Leading hypotheses point to drastic climate change and plummeting ocean oxygen levels. Some theories even suggest cataclysmic events from deep space.
The sponge branch appeared untouched by the mass extinction unfolding around it.
The Anji sponges from right after the extinction were remarkably diverse.
Their diversity rivaled that of modern sponge communities today.
Other fossils here were scarce, matching expectations for a post-extinction environment. Soon, more sites revealed a vast, 2,000-kilometer-long zone of sponge communities. Researchers proposed this wasn't local. Much of Earth may have become a sponge world.
Sponges are filter feeders, consuming organic particles from the water.
Melting glaciers would have flooded the oceans with nutrients from land. In this altered world, their food source would have been suddenly abundant. Their bodies provided crucial real estate for other survivors to cling to. These sponge mega-communities became hubs for rebuilding entire ecosystems. Similar sponge spikes are found after other major extinctions in the fossil record. This pattern recurs from the late Devonian to the end Permian crises.
We see echoes of this today after ecological disturbances like coral bleaching.
Sponge dominance may be a universal signal of ecosystem collapse. It's a scenario that could hold lessons for our planet's future. But this sponge world may have been key to the planet's recovery. They acted as ecosystem engineers, reshaping their environment. Many lineages that survived, including ours, may owe a debt to the sponges. From the wreckage of the first extinction, they built an ark for life's return. The evidence lies in their tiny, durable skeletons, the spicules.
These siliceous structures can persist for hundreds of millions of years.
Time and geology preserve these minute clues.
Their form is a language, telling us about sponge diversity and evolution.
Their fundamental filter-feeding blueprint has been successful for over 500 million years.
Before the crisis, sponges were already successful members of marine communities.
When catastrophe struck, they held their ground while others perished. Chemical traces in the rock record the environmental chaos they endured.
The story is written in stone, layer by layer.
Their world wasn't entirely empty. It sheltered a handful of other resilient species.
Their passive, efficient filtering system required little oxygen and was highly adaptable.
In the collapse of complex ecosystems, simplicity became an advantage. Anji was part of a tropical carbonate platform in the Paleotethys Ocean. It was an environment ideally suited to their biology. By stabilizing the bottom, they paved the way for new primary producers. They didn't just live there. They began to physically construct a new landscape. Their spicule networks acted as natural reinforcing mesh, preventing erosion.
Modern experiments confirm their profound impact on water clarity and stability.
The Anji biota has sparked a paradigm shift in how we view post-extinction recovery.
This discovery has captivated the global paleontological community.
It has become a focal point for international scientific cooperation.
This story transforms our understanding of resilience, past and future.
Their ancient designs are inspiring new, sustainable technologies.
In the grand scale of deep time, life cycles of crisis and renewal repeat.
They tell us a timeless truth. Life persists, adapts, and rebuilds.